Hi everyone. Today, we will show you how to save files directly to Google Drive, whether you're uploading documents, photos, or other files. We will walk you through the simple steps to store them safely in the cloud using Tacno. First, in your browser, we will install the extension for Google Chrome or Google Drive. Now, open a new tab and go to the Chrome Web Store. From here, we will search for the extension and find the Save to Google Drive extension. We will scroll down to locate it, and here it is, the Save to Google Drive extension. We will install this so that we can quickly save files to Google Drive by clicking it in our extensions bar. We will add it to Opera, since that is the browser we are using. Chrome users can do the same thing. Once it is added, simply pin it for easy access. As you can see, we now have quick access to Save to Drive right in our browser. Another way to save files to Google Drive is to install Google Drive directly on your laptop. Simply download and install the application. Since it takes a little time, we click Download and then install it on the laptop. Once installed, we can now save files directly from the laptop to Google Drive. Files are now saved directly to Google Drive. With this method, we can access our files anytime, from any device.